In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install SS exclamation mark certificates on Bluehost. So the first thing this would like to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. Once you open that browser, make sure to go into this URL section and simply type bluehost.com and hit the enter button, which will actually take you into this page, which is going to be your home screen or your main screen on the Bluehost website. Of course, if you want to log in into your account and if you already have it, simply click as login button at the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, you'll have to click at get started or simply because this choice will get you to choose a plan and it's going to be a bit expensive because you will have to commit with them for 1 year. You can simply just go and buy your own domain by clicking at this domains option right here. And of course, it will take you to the page that will give you the opportunity to buy your domain from, and from there you can start and create your account with that way also. So for me, I'm just going to click at login, which will log in into my account directly because I already logged in into my account in this PC. And this is going to be my screen once I logged in into my account. So as we said in the beginning of this tutorial, we would like to install SS exclamation mark on certificates on Bluehost. And if you want to do that, we'll simply have to click on my sites here on the left panel. If you have a website already, you can simply click on manage sites. If you don't, you'll have to add a site, then click on manage site, and that should take you into this page. Simply from here, you'll have to click on security. And as you can see from here, we have this SL certificates option. Make sure to turn it on so you can install your SS exclamation mark certificates. Of course, you can to turn this on as well, which is enforce the HTTPS, which will force a secure connection to your website to provide a safe and secure browsing experience for your visitors. But we will not care about this at the moment. All we care about is this SSL certificate, which will help keep informations like login and password and customers' credit card numbers safe. So that's actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.